Hi guys, happy Monday. I hope that you guys had an awesome and relaxing weekend. So here is what today, Monday's assignment looks like. So this video is both for chemistry and also environmental science because you guys both have an ed puzzle today. So obviously Monday video, that's what you're clicking on right now. If you notice here, it says Monday assignment ed puzzle link on classroom, and there's no underline underneath it, which means, oh, I have to actually go to classroom and not click on the link. Oh boy. So you're either going to go into your chem classroom, or if you're environmental science, you're going to go there. And if you look here, there is an ed puzzle, and it says lab safety. Environmental science, yours is going to be a little bit different, but the same process. You're going to click onto the ed puzzle in the instructions. Click the link. The video is going to play automatically, and if you look at the bottom, there's going to be these little teardrop shapes. And every time that you hit one of those little teardrop shapes in the video, it's going to stop, like in the middle of a sentence, and you're going to answer the questions. Okay? Doesn't have to be spelled the right way, doesn't have to be 100% correct. Okay? Just do the best that you can. And then just make sure that you answer every single little teardrop question. Okay? And then make sure that you turn in the assignment. All right, that's actually all that you guys need to do for today. So I will see you guys on Tuesday for chemistry and Wednesday for environmental science. All right, guys. If you have any questions, don't forget office hours later in the day. For today, you guys can get in touch with me. Don't forget to text me somewhere between 12 and 1, but you can always text me and I'll answer it. All right? I will see you guys later.